back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the CERTINA DS-X GMT, the new generation of the adventure watch. So the caliber is a quartz movement. It's a Swiss made. Function has an hour, minute, second, date, separate 24-hour hands, GMT, compass bezel, special feature, heavy drive technology, DS extreme shock resistant, super Nova, screw case, back and crown. The case, stainless steel 316L, 41mm diameter, 12.15mm in height. Glass is anti-reflective, sapphire crystal inside, double domed. Water resistant up to 20 bar or 200 meter. Strap, rubber, silicone, and stainless steel with a quick charge system. So the one I got is a green color, and it's a quartz movement. So yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. Retail price on this is about $557. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. Swiss watch since 1888. Got the DS on the side right here. On this side as well. So this is just a sleeve. I'm going to push it to slide out the actual box. It's a hashtag, count on me. And right here, you have the certificate and then a manual or user guide. So the purchase August 10, 2025. So yeah, this is in multiple different languages, so the silica gel. It says scan me, check your warranty information by scanning the QR code. So you got this watch pillow. I think it's like a pouch too or something. I gotta open and see. Got the DS-X right there. And on the strap as well. Go ahead and take it out. Oh yeah, I forgot to open this supposed to be a watch pillow. I think it's turned into like a bag. So yeah, it's like a pouch bag. Right here's the thickness. And you have a DS embossed on the crown. And now you can turn the bezel right here. There's no clicking, very smooth. In case you go in undercover. Wow, a turtle. So this is like a smart watch, easy to remove. I'm not gonna take it out. Just pry it downward, and then it's gonna take apart the watch band. So yeah, it is a beautiful watch. There's a weight to it. Let's go and then try on my wrist and see. Hopefully I'm not going to drop it. And there you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.